Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I'm Payal and today I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful wall clock with the Dress My Craft transformer sheet. All the material list are below in the description box. So yeah, let's make it. So here I am using wooden clock base which I have bought it from the Hobby Lobby, and then I have painted it with the white acrylic paint. You can easily get it from the Amazon. If I can find the link, I'm going to put it in a description box. After that, I'm using this washi tape as a masking tape. Here I wanted to paint vertical stripes on a base, so that's why I'm using this masking tape. After that, I'm using this turquoise acrylic paint, and then I'm applying some paint on top of this wall clock base. After that, let it dry completely, and then I am making my own texture paste. So here I am mixing white acrylic paint with the baby talcum powder. I have already uploaded video on how to make a gesso and texture paste. You can check it out, I button. After that, I am applying this texture paste with the stencil. You can also use ready-made texture paste, but I really like my own texture paste. And the same way, I am just applying the texture paste on all over my wall clock, which looks so beautiful. And this stencil is from Dress My Craft. I'm also going to mention the link of this stencil in a description box. So if you want to buy, then you can check it out. And then let it dry completely. When it dries, then just remove the masking tape. This is the most satisfying part. Trust me, I just love the removing masking tape. After that, I am using Dress My Craft transformer sheet. I am going to mention all the links in the description box. So first I am using this border series of a transformer sheet. So transformer sheet is very easy to use it, and you can transfer image on any surface. So first of all, I am going to cut the transformer sheet according to the size of this wall clock. After that, just remove the plastic from the top and then stick your transformer sheet on the top of your base. Here I am going to do the same process with all my transformer sheet, as you can see in a video. So after that, you need some water and tissue paper. Here I am applying some water with the tissue paper on top of this transformer sheet. The process of using transformer sheet is very easy. You just need transformer sheet, water and a tissue paper. As you can see in a video, your image is completely see-through. So now it's time to slide the top part of this transformer sheet, and this is very easy. You just need to slide the top part, as you can see in a video. And after that, I'm using this dry tissue paper to remove excess water, and in this way the base of my wall clock is ready. Now I'm going to do some transformer sheet on top of this another chipboard, and first I'm going to stick this chipboard on top of the base. So for that, I'm using this silicone glue. You can use any glue, and then I'm going to stick it on a center part of the wall clock. So after that, I am using alphanumerious transformer sheet from a Dress My Craft. I am going to mention all the links in the description box. So here I am using 3, 6, 9 and 12 number as a number of clock, and I am doing the same process of transformer sheet, as you can see in a video. In the last, I am going to use this vintage style transformer sheet. So for that I have cut all this extra part, and then I'm just sticking this transfer sheet in a center part of my wall clock. Transfer sheet is very easy to use it, and you can transfer it on a wood, you can also transfer it on a fabric, so this is very easy to use it. And here I am using brush to apply some water on top of this transfer sheet, and in this way you can get a beautiful transfer image on any surface. And in this way my wall clock is ready. In the last I have just fixed my all other element of a wall clock. I hope you like it. Thank you.